Hello everyone, I'm May. I've been in Chengdu for almost 3 years by now, and I've been studying Chinese while I was in Italy. I am very interested in the traditional Chinese culture, and I've heard there are many interesting things to be found here in the Chengdu Museum. Right now, let's go and check it out. This is the Shadow Puppet Exhibition Hall of the Chengdu Museum, and there are so many shadow puppets inside. I'm actually so excited. I've never seen one before. Let's go check it out. Hello. Hi, my name is May.
It seems like you're very interested in Chinese shadow play. Let me show you around.
Thank you. As far as I know, Chinese shadow puppetry is a form of folklore drama with long history. It's an important representative of human cultural heritage.
It's starting with a very touching love story.
Everything starts with a love story,
Yes.
right?
An emperor in Han Dynasty lost his favorite wife, Miss Li, and he missed her so much. One of his ministers came up with an idea. He cut one portrait with Miss Li and added sticks on the body, and at night lightened the candles and put the portrait behind the white curtain. When he see the portrait, it looks like Miss Li is come back again.
Wow, so this is how the Chinese shadow puppetry has actually started,
Yes.
right? That's actually so very interesting. That shadow puppetry play is an ancient traditional folklore art in China. According to historical records, it began in the Warring States period, became popular in the Han Dynasty, Tang and Song Dynasty, Qing Dynasty, and spread to West Asia and Europe in the Yuan Dynasty. I see here there are different styles. What are actually those puppets here made of?
Different places may use different materials, like in Hebei province, people use donkey skins. Like here you can see in Shanxi province, people use cow skins.
Oh, it looks like paper. So we do actually have puppets in Europe too. The main difference is about material. Since the European puppets are made out of wood, we do in Europe is moving them from the upside. And we connect them with some kind of wires, which allows the puppet master to move them around. And here in China, usually the puppets are moved from the downside. And I'm so excited to try it by myself. Let's go! So right now we are in Wanping Street, which is very famous here in Chengdu. And there's a place who does the shadow puppets. Let's go and check it out. What if we do for the dragon? I'm not sure about the result, but we'll try our best. And shadow puppets produced in different regions have their own characteristics. However, the procedures to make a shadow puppet are mostly the same. The first step is to make a draft with a pencil. Engraving.
你看刀扎进去，你的左手就这样扯皮，你看这样，看到没有？磕破了。
I'm actually using a lot of strength. Oh, it's actually harder than it looks like. Color application.
这样蘸上之后，往上面画，你看用笔的侧锋画就行了。
It's a complicated and wonderful process. For today's dragon, we choose actually green, yellow, and a little bit of black for the details. Holly Gooder. And our dragon is finished. Look at it.
好，等烧一下再按。
Our dragon, it's all assembled. Look at it. 我来自四川的，能不能摸摸你一下？
可以呀。
来，摸摸头，摸摸头。During the performance, the artists behind the white curtains manipulated the puppets while telling stories.
哎呀，不要嘛，不要嘛！我就不跟你玩，再见。
This was only one of the 1,000 cultural folklores you can actually experience here in Chengdu. Shadow puppeting is a real form of art, which I actually personally really enjoyed. And how about you? How many other cultural folklores do you know here in Chengdu? Let us know with a comment below, and we will see you next time. Bye bye!